Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning, good day, depending on which part of the world you're watching this from. I'm Deepa Ganesh, and it's my absolute honor to be here today singing for Ridhun Live. So, thank you so much. Before I even start the program, Ashwath ji, Mukesh ji, if you are here, if you are watching me, then thank you so much for the opportunity that you have given me. Sorry, just give me 1 second. Thank you so much for the opportunity that you have given me, and it means a lot to be able to do one-hour program on your channel. Can somebody who's watching me just give me a thumbs up or say that I'm audible and visible before I start? I'm just trying to check myself out on the phone. Yes, I can see myself. Awesome. Okay, cool. So, before we start the program, I did want to talk a little bit about the man himself, Pancham Da, R.D. Burman. So, he's got quite the track record. So, he's done about 300 plus movies. And obviously, before he started out on his own, he was working with his father S.D. Burman for the longest time as an assistant. And more than 300, hi Sonal ji, and hi admin of Ridhun. Out of the 331 released movies that of R.D. Burman, a majority were in Hindi, but he had also done in other languages. Of course, Bangla, since that was the native tongue, but also Oriya and Tamil, Telugu, and even Marathi. So quite the illustrious career, and a few non-film albums as well. So just give me 1 second while I notify my family that I am live so that they can join as well. Okay, let's get started. Ashwath ji, what a statement to make. Pancham Da is the greatest. Well, I hope I do justice to today's program. So I know the temptation is that, when we think about R.D. Burman, when we think about Pancham Da, we want to just go to the peppy numbers, the fast numbers, the cabarets and the club songs. But I've restrained myself because I wanted to give you, the variety of songs that he has made, not just the fast songs, but even the classical some numbers, the romantic numbers. So here we go. We start with the first song, which is a romantic number from the movie Jiva. And Jiva was an action movie, Sanjay Dutt Mandakini. Whether the movie did well or not is left for viewer discretion. But this song was a super duper hit and a very popular number, and it is still remembered today for this brilliant composition. So this is Roz Roz Aankhon Tale. I'd like to start with this. So Amit Kumar, Asha Bhosle, and incidentally Amit Kumar's break जो है RDB sir ने ही दिया था. Ashish, good to see you here. Glad to see that so many of you are enjoying this music. It's such a romantic song, isn't it? And such a great way to start the program because it kind of sets the mood. तो मैं अभी थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड करने वाली हूँ. फ्लैशबैक मोड मतलब so we listened to a song from the 1986 movie Jiva, which you just heard now. But I'm going to go back in time now and look at the year 1961. And why 1961? Because that was the year that R.D. Burman made his debut as a music director. And this was for the movie Chote. I can't remember the name of the movie. This was actually by Chote Nawab, yes, now I remember, Chote Nawab, and this was made by Mehmood actually, and it was his debut as a hero. So, very big milestone obviously this, and it seems like this song I was destined to sing because at least 3 people sent me a recommendation that if I'm doing an RDB show, I should look at a song from this movie. So here I go with a very classical song. This was RDB's one of his first few compositions, and you can see the intensity of the rag that he has brought out. I'm not going to say the name of the rag, but I will announce it after I finish performing. If you know the name of the rag, please mention them in the comments without looking at Google. Okay, so here we go. घर आजा घिर आए बदरा सावरिया, घर आजा घिर आए बदरा सावरिया, मोरा जिया धक धक रे चमके बिजुरिया, one of R.D. Burman's very first composition and such a heavy classical based song. Thank you so much for all the compliments, Shri, Vani ji. I watched your program, which was very nice yesterday. Raji, thank you so much. Sandhya ji, thank you so much. Mukesh ji, thank you so much. The comments are going so yes, and there you go. My Chitappa, my uncle has got the right rag. This is Rag Malgunji. And Rag Malgunji में एक और बहुत पॉपुलर गाना है ना जिया लागेना from the movie Anand. Okay, so let's move on. So we sang one slow song, one classical song. तो अभी थोड़ी सी मतलब मस्ती हो जाए. So 10 years after his debut, let's take a leap forward. So 1971 की movie है. This is the famous movie. Hi Hema ji. This is the famous movie Karwan, and Karwan was one brilliant movie. The music was so good. Every song in that movie is brilliantly composed, and so one of his best work and one of my personal favorites. And Karwan जो है, it's got a very unique positioning because obviously it had this Nasir Hussain combination with Jitendra, and I think that's one of the very few that they had done. Majroo ji's lyrics, so beautifully done, and the song that I'm going to sing now, you'll see the magic of his lyrics, how it brings the sentiments to life. And this movie was a huge hit in China, so even now like people remember this movie for whatever reason. So one iconic movie. Now it becomes a dilemma when you have to pick a song from a movie like Karwan, because every song is brilliant in that. So I decided to pick two. I'm going to sing one now and one a bit later. So my first choice is, so this is a very unique song. इसमें जो है दो हीरोइंस गाते हैं ये गाना, that is अरुणा ईरानी and आशा पारेख. बट जो आवाज़ दी है वो एक ही सिंगर ने दी है, which is आशा भोसले. So you can imagine Asha ji's versatility, that she is able to sing for two heroines and give each one an identity of their own in terms of the emotion that they're bringing to the song. One is naughty and one is, teasing and seductive, and the other one is sad. So I hope I do justice to this song. This is Ab Jo Mile Hain.
सच्चे के झूठे हैं होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना ना ना. अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों में रहने दे साजना. सच्चे के झूठे हैं होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना ना ना. अब जो मिले हैं तो हाय रे साजना.
Everyone.
यूं ही नशा चढ़ता रहे कि तेरा प्यार बढ़ता रहे. ये झूमता साया तेरा तन पे मेरे पड़ता रहे. तू आ गया जो होश में, क्या होगा फिर ये भूल जा. क्या होगा फिर ये भूल जा. अब जो मिले हैं तो बाहों को बाहों में रहने दे साजना. सच्चे के झूठे हैं होठों को होठों से कहने दे साजना ना ना. अब जो मिले हैं तो हाय रे साजना.
here the mood changes.
झूठी नहीं मेरी वफा, झूठी नहीं मेरी वफा। अब जो मिले है तुम मुझको निगाहों में रहने दे साजना, सच्चे के झूठे हैं नैनों को नैनों से कहने दे साजना। अब जो मिले है तुम मुझको निगाहों में रहने दे साजना।
Thank you so much. Yes, as somebody very rightly pointed out, this is not attempted in live shows usually, but I love this song. And those two lines of Ab jo mile hai to da 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 da, it's almost like singing a rap. There is no place to breathe, so you have to just keep going and just keep singing to that rap almost. That is Majroo ji's brilliance, of course. I'm so glad all of you enjoyed this. Okay, so the next song is again a very popular one, and thank you Balkrishna ji, so so nice to see you here. Thank you Chitpa. Thank you Shri, that's a very generous comment. Okay, so the next song is from the 1980 movie Khoobsurat, and again a very lovely compilation of songs. And this one, of course, the movie was made by Hrishikesh Mukherjee. Lyrics by Gulzar Saab, and again a very great partnership there, which we will talk about later. And this song is based on the rag Behag Da. So this is rag Behag plus Khamaj. So a very classical based song. I'm sure all of you must have guessed which song this is, because Khoobsurat में जो classical song है वो एक ही है, वो पिया बावरी. And इसमें जो special mention है वो दादा मोनी के जो lines हैं, those are so adorable. Like they really bring life to the song. Fortunately, I don't have to do those lines because वो already track में है. So presenting Piya Bawri to all of you. Just give me a second.
ललिता चंदा बलि दियो बोर रंग घोर सर बोर मनवारी मैं हारी जा जारी, मैं हारी जा जारी, मैं हारी जा जारी।
डार डार पिया फूलों की चादर बुनी, फूलों की चादर रंगों की झालर बुनी। ओ डार
you so much. I can see those comments just scrolling by. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience and encouraging me like this. It really means a lot to me. Please, if you enjoy the performance and if you really think that it's worth, then please share it on your walls so that more people can hear this. Right now we are in a small intimate group, and which is lovely, but if you wish, then please just share it. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see what the next number is. So, एक naughty number अभी. Thank you so much. The comments are still coming in. तो 1972 में जो height of राजेश खन्ना की popularity, तब मतलब राजेश खन्ना is like a super heartthrob of all the millions of women in India. So 1972 पे मेरे जीवन साथी मूवी बनाई गई थी. एंड इस मूवी के एक रिव्यू में आई वॉन्ट टू रीड आउट. दिस केम इन द 2013 रिव्यू बाय हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. सो दिस वॉज नॉट इन दैट ईयर, दिस वॉज काफ़ी सालों बाद ये रिव्यू लिखा गया था. आई डोंट नो द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन हु डिड दिस, बट it said that you could watch the movie for some superb music as only R.D. Burman could have conjured and delivered film after film. So that was his peak as well. मजरू सुल्तानपुरी के बोल. एंड इस मूवी में जो गाने थे वो एक्चुअली डोमिनेट किया गया था बाय किशोर कुमार. सो ऑल द सॉन्ग्स वर मेल and Kishore Kumar had given the voice for Rajesh Khanna in this movie. Brilliant songs. दीवाना लेके आया है ओ मेरे दिल के चैन. एक गाना आशा जी ने गाया, वो सुपर हिट, और वो मैं गाने वाली हूँ आज. आई होप यू एन्जॉय दिस वन. Anybody wants to take a guess? Please go ahead and guess what song this is.
गले लगा लो ना, लगे बुझा दो ना, ओ जान जा. तुमने जो अगन लगाई है तो छू के देखो ना, कहाँ कहाँ. देखो सीने में कैसी हलचल मची है, ओ साजना. पापा पापा पा देखो मची है, ओ साजना. रू 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 आओ ना, गले लगा लो ना, लगे बुझा दो ना, ओ साजना. तुमने जो अगन लगाई है तो छू के देखो ना, कहाँ कहाँ. देखो मची है, ओ साजना. पापा पापा पा देखो सीने में कैसी हलचल मची है, ओ साजना. थैंक यू इकबाल जी. थैंक यू रश्मि जी. शर्मीले हो जानी, आजा 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 ना लहरा के. दुनिया से डरते हो तो मैं सारे दीपक आई हूँ बुझा के. अब तो नहीं कोई, एक तुम हो एक हम. तरता तरता पापा 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 पापा. छू के देखो ना, मची है ओ साजना, पापा पापा देखो सीने में कैसी हलचल मची है ओ साजना। थैंक यू इकबाल जी, थैंक यू रश्मि जी। बहके मैं बहके मैं बहके, साजन कस लो इन बाहों का घेरा, मन ही ना तरसे मिलन के, दिल भर प्यासा प्यासा तन भी मेरा, मुझको इन बाहों में ले लो ना सनम, तरसता तरसता तो पापा 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 दूरो 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 आओ ना, गले लगा लो ना, लगे बुझा दो ना हो जाने जा, तुम्हें जो अकड़ लगाई है तो छू के देखो ना कहाँ कहाँ, देखो सीने में कैसी हलचल मची है ओ साजना, पापा पापा देखो सीने में कैसी हलचल मची है ओ साजना। आहा रू 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 रू, ला 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 ला। Thank you so much for that encouragement. Rightfully said, गाना बहुत बहुत टफ है, बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस हैं, बट ऐसे गाने में ही मज़ा है। आई मीन एंड अगेन वन ऑफ दोज नो प्लेसेस फॉर होल्डिंग ब्रेथ, फटाफट फटाफट गा दो। So really enjoyed singing that for all of you, and so nice to see these appreciation. Mala ji, thank you. Mithun ji, thank you. Ashish, thank you so much. You're always here. Thank you so much. Chitapa, of course, you're always here as well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shri. Before I go on further, मेरे अंकल जो हैं यहाँ पर हैं, RDB के पागल फ़ैन हैं। I'm sure उनकी तरह बहुत सारे दीवाने होंगे, बट उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि एक RDB कुछ गाने गा दो मेरे लिए, तो ये शो उनके नाम, तो दिस इज़ for him because he has always been there for me, you know, supporting me, encouraging me. So this one is for him. So next song जो है, it's not a film song. So जाइएगा नहीं just because it's not a film song. And this is also not the right time of the day to sing that song. It's from an album called Dil Padoti Hai, जो है collaboration between Gulzar Saab, Asha Bhosle and R.D. Burman, and this is one brilliant song, and it's my honor to sing it here in front of you people. It's based on the Rag Miyan Ki Todi, and it's a very, very difficult song to sing. So this is Bhini Bhini Bhor. भीनी भीनी रूप रूप पर छिड़के सोना, स्वर्ण कलश चमकाती आई आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई। माथे सुनहरी टीका लगाए, आ, माथे सुनहरी टीका लगाए, पात पात पर गोटा लगाए, गोटा लगाए, गोटा लगाए। सात रंग की छाई आई आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई। Thank you so much. होश धुले मुख पोछे सारे, आ, आ, होश धुले मुख पोछे सारे, आंगन लेप गई उजियारे, उजियारे, उजियारे। सरे गमदनि गमदनि मदनि सरे सानि गमसानि गमगनि धामगरि सा 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 सा। जागो जगर की बेला आई आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई। रूप रूप पर छिड़के सोना, रूप रूप पर छिड़के सोना, स्वर्ण कलश चमकाती आई आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई, भीनी भीनी भोर भोर आई।
Thank you so much. The song makes me almost breathless because it's so like full of spirituality, full of those. Asha Bhosle has sung it like tremendously beautifully. So it almost like chokes me up. Thank you, Iqbal Qazi ji. To say that I have class is a huge statement. So, and thank you, Vani ji. I noticed that you said that this is one of your favorite songs. Thank you so much for all of you for being such a wonderful audience. Please, if you would like to share it, please do share it. Thank you, Chitpa. I know it's a tough song. I've done it as a recording. This is the first time I'm singing this live, and it takes a huge amount of effort, I have to say. Okay, so next song जो है again जो same trio, which is thank you Jaideep ji, thank you Hasrat ji, Asha ji, RDB ji and Gulzar Saab. So it's the same combination, and this is from a 1975 movie. एंड उस साल गुलजार जी ने 3 मूवीज़ जो है बनाई थी, आंधी, मौसम, खुशबू. ऑल वर वंडरफुल मूवीज़. एंड जो मैंने गाना चुना है, आई हैव चोजन वन फ्रॉम द मूवी खुशबू. and some wonderful music in Khushbu as well, बेचारा दिल क्या करे, ओ माझी रे. जो मैंने चुना है वो है घर जाएगी तर जाएगी. Wonderfully, you know, why I chose this song is the song doesn't stand straight anywhere. It just keeps going up and down, especially the antaras, which makes it very difficult to sing. But when you sing it perfectly, then it's brilliant to hear. That's why I picked this song. So this is Ghar Jayegi Tar Jayegi. Thank you, Geeta Ka, another supporter who is extremely biased, but so grateful to have you all in my life.
घर जाएगी तर जाएगी और डोलियां चढ़ जाएगी, हो घर जाएगी तर जाएगी और डोलियां चढ़ जाएगी. ओ मेहंदी लगाएगी रे, काजल सजाएगी रे, दुल्हनिया मर जाएगी, ओ दुल्हनिया धीरे धीरे लेके चलना, आंगन से निकलना, कोई देखे ना दुल्हन को गली में. ओ अखियां झुकाए हुए, घूंघटा गिराए हुए, मुखड़ा छुपाए हुए चली मैं. जाएगी घर जाएगी तर जाएगी, ओ घर जाएगी तर जाएगी, हो डोलियां चढ़ जाएगी, ओ मेहंदी लगाएगी रे, काजल सजाएगी रे, दुल्हनिया मर जाएगी, ओ दुल्हनिया मर जाएगी. मेहंदी मेहंदी खेली थी मैं, तेरी ही सहेली थी मैं, तूने जब कुसुम को चुना था. हो तूने मेरा नाम कभी आँखों से बुलाया नहीं, मैंने जाने कैसे सुना था. जाएगी घर जाएगी ला ला ला, ओ घर जाएगी तर जाएगी, हो डोलियां चढ़ जाएगी, ओ मेहंदी लगाएगी रे, काजल सजाएगी रे, दुल्हनिया मर जाएगी, ओ दुल्हनिया मर जाएगी.
Short and sweet, लेकिन कितना प्यारा गाना है, right? And thank you Jaydeep ji, these are all very generous comments. I'm very grateful to be here. It's my honor. Thank you. And about this song, ek bhi jagah, such happy vibes this song gives. Upar niche, that's the beauty of this song. I want to do a quick time check. Yeah, we're just about in time. I think last 10 minutes. So, without much ado, I'm going to the second song of Karwan. And ye gana to, matlab, I want you all to get up and dance, because this is one of those songs. This is Piya Tu, and this is, Asha Bhosle won a Filmfare Award for this, and दिस इज़ एन आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग. इसके बारे में मैं क्या बोलूँ, जितना भी बोलूँ कम ही होगा, तो इट्स बेटर आई डोंट टॉक. बट प्लीज़ एन्जॉय दिस सॉन्ग. आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू डू अ गुड जॉब ऑफ इट. वो आ गया, देखो देखो वो आ गया. पिया तू अब तो हाथ उठाइए जिन लोगों ने डांस किया, और जिन लोगों ने डांस नहीं किया उनको पनिशमेंट मिलेगी। आई एम किडिंग। थैंक यू सो मच। क्या गाना है, एंड हेलन हैज़ लाइक लिव्ड दिस सॉन्ग। So yeah, it's my absolute honor to sing this. So I just have 4 minutes because there is another performer after me and I want to respect the time. So I will end with a song from Kudrat. This is one of my absolute favorite songs, and this song was featured twice in the movie. First version by Kishore Kumar, but the version that I'm going to be singing is by Begum Parveen Sultana. And one more tough song, but just a beauty. I have no words to describe this, so I hope you enjoy this. She won the Best Filmfare playback award for this song, by the way.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार। सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना।
Thank you, and ever grateful to all of you for being here. It's been lovely performing to all of you. Special thank you to अश्वथ जी, मुकेश जी जिन्होंने मुझे पहली बार ग्रुप में इनवाइट किया रिधुन पर, और जो बाकी सारे दोस्त हैं, थैंक यू सो मच. I have handpicked each song with a lot of love and care because I wanted to showcase RDB's versatility in creating music, and I hope that I did justice to the songs I picked. They're all diverse, absolutely diverse, from cabarets to clubs to seductive to bhajan to classical to song pining for love. So there was something of everything in it today. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please do share and show your love because I've put in a lot of effort performing 1 hour of Pancham Das classic melodies, and I would love if you can spread my voice to the world. I will be eternally grateful to you. Thank you so much. Shubh Ratri, or have a great day depending on where you are. It's almost midnight for me. I'm based out of Singapore, by the way. So until we meet again, take care. Namaskar. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.